This is an example of birds using tools to do things. They're trying to build a nest. They see these strings on the rug we have outside, and they're trying to pick them up to use them. Well, they're still attached to the rug. So I took scissors and cut them off and laid them down there for them, and they picked them up within a few minutes. So then I got some brown twine, cut off 4 or 5 4-inch pieces, laid them on the ground, and they were gone a little later. So I cut off some more, and they came and got them too. And I did it again, and they still came and got them. There he found the string that I cut off, and he's taking 2 at a time off to his nest, or her nest. And now she's getting the ones I cut off to the nest. That's pretty amazing, don't you think?